Hi there, it's Sydney. In this video, I'm going to share with you what digital growth community have and why it's definitely worth joining in. So first, you will get access to the step-by-step funnel guidance. It will help us to automate the sale process, and this will definitely take our IPS business to the next level. Here are the step-by-step guidance. Like this, there are a lot to learn, right? But it will take around 2 days that you can do and complete everything. You will have a page like this, and when people opt in here, you will have an email list, and that is your online access. When people see an offer, it may take around 5 to 7 times at least for them to take action, especially if they are a cold email lead, right? So we need to make sure that we do the follow-up properly. And with that, we have an email sequence for that, and it's all done for you. You just need to follow through these steps, like this one, adding the email automation. Also, I can share with you my funnel here if you like. If you don't like this page, you can use my funnel right here. I can share with you, all right? And also, you will need to send webinars invitation, because in digital growth community, Michelle, she do the webinar every week, and it helps to convert people into sales. Like they will join our IPS business. And you see, we also have the replays of the webinars. Do you know what that's for? You can have access to these videos, and you can download these and you can upload it on your YouTube channel. So this can help to grow your YouTube channel too. Next, we have quarterly, maybe it's 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, it depends. And we have the daily videos, and this is what I check every day. You can go to the classroom tab here, and you will see, this is what is happening, the 2024 Vision Sprint 90-day run. And you can check, there are daily videos like this, and it's really amazing. I listen to this every day for more motivation. And if you scroll down in this classroom tab, you will see there are so many training in here besides the IPS training, right? So you can check out everything right here. We have the building a faceless brand as well, and this is what happened for the last the last 2 months of 2023. And we also have the Zoom for tech help. If you have a problem with that, you can join. Like if you go back to a community here, we have the Thursday tech room here, and every new webinar will be display the notification in here. Next, we have the wins for motivation. So if you go to the wins tab right here, you will see this is new. This is 7 hours ago. This is 1 hour ago. 1 day ago, 6 hours ago. And you see people are having success. I mean, huge success with Infinity processing system, as you can see here. And I will share with you some of the TikTok accounts that people are making a lot of money with it, and you can go to check if you can do the same as them. Okay, we will look at what the top earners are doing so that they can earn that much, and then we can work on ourselves to learn from them and to make something from them. I think if they can do it, we can do it, right? So next, we also have help. For this, you can type in the search bar here for almost everything. For example, if I type here PayPal button, because I see this is one of the most issue that people have, and you will see here people have issues setting up PayPal button, and you can see 50 comments for this one, right? So you can check out if you can find an answer for this. But that's not all. You can definitely participate in this. You can share yourself, you can introduce yourself, you can share your wins to get people to know more about you. I'm not really active in this digital growth community because I have a lot going on. But I still check it every day, and the number of members here are increasing like really, really fast. So this is definitely something you want to check out. You see some people is commenting in here. So okay, so that's it. And you can give this digital growth community access to people who join with you. Okay, so that is a huge bonus that you can give for people who want to join the IPS with you. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to message me on my Facebook. And this is Sydney from hithanhdotcom, and bye bye.